Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JDST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one. Big price action, big volume, and definitely a lot of eyeballs going to be on these ETFs going into next week. So I want to map out some levels from the technical point of view. So the first key level is nothing fancy, nothing complicated at all, other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today on this one down here at $7.55. So for that reason alone is going to be where the initial level of support is going to be. So, if this is some sort of bottom that's trying to play out, and to give some credit where credit's due, the price did ultimately at least start to go sideways. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because the price started to go sideways does not mean that this is for sure guaranteed to be the bottom. My point is, it at least makes sense. It's at least a rational thought to have that it could be the bottom. Case in point, let's say that the price still looked like this and was doing this, and I'm sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this could be the bottom. You'd be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? The price is literally still going down. But that's not the case here, right? It's at least going sideways. So again, does that mean it is for sure the bottom? No. Does it mean it's a valid, rational thought to have? Absolutely. So that is where 755 is coming to play. Let's see if that can hold as support and then therefore bring more and more credibility to the fact that this could be the bottom. Now, if this is the bottom and the price starts to bounce back upwards, where are some of these areas of resistance at? Initial area of resistance, if there's any sort of bounce, going to be right there at $7.85. And then if 785 can be broken, next level after that, which makes the chart relatively interesting. Price could definitely get moving there a little bit as next level, not up until right around the $8.20 mark. So like I said, definitely a very fascinating setup, especially with the ETFs and the three leverage and all that. So a lot of eyeballs on it. I know I'll be keeping an eye on it. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.